out now, which is Atoshi Global. This update pay users very well now. They paying since last month. They pay every month. It just work like Ember. For you guys who do Ember, it work like Ember. You know Ember, you work from like on the 1st to on the 30th, then you receive your payment on the 30th or on the 31st. So this is how this app also work. They said the current price of ATOS is 0.0008, nearly 200 times since its initial release. After completing registration, you and your, it's supposed to be your, it is a mistake. You and your inviter will receive 25,000 ATOS each, worth about 22 USD. So this cannot be withdrawn instantly. If you are giving this free registration bonus, you wait. You have to do your first verification and your second verification before you can withdraw on the 30 every month, like every month, every ending of the month. So the first thing you just have to do is insert your name, your first name, which is your name, your last name, your country, your Gmail, and your password. Yes, and you agree with the policy. Then you click on sign up. You have to install the app. Click on sign up. Then you drag this. You drag this to this for like verification, for them to know you are not a robot. So they sent a notification code to my Gmail, so I'll just check it. So this is it. So I'll just copy the code. Confirm. So you have to install the app. So go to your Google Play Store and install the app. The app is just 75 MB. Let me just say 100 MB, and you make about $100 per month. Imagine some people who work outside there does not make up to 100, and $100 per month now is more than 150,000. So make this serious, just for you to just have your phone and your internet, just for you to just claim daily tax daily. So I've downloaded the app, so I'll just log in since we have registered before. Then click on sign in and done. So you see, it gave me 20. They say up to 25. I don't know if I can still see that. They say yes. They say you will receive 25 ATOS coin, which is, I don't know why they gave me 23, but maybe it is up to $5. So the first thing you have to do in this app, is to pass our KYC first. To pass our KYC, you have to add like 5 existing people on this app, like people that are on this app before you, like people you can have people that you refer, people that you know that are doing this. You can also search for it like Gmail. What you just need is their Gmails. Just come to this icon here, click on it, come to this KYC status, click on it. You have to upload your picture first, but let us first do this security circle first. You click on security circle 1. So So you should have the Gmail of people who you want to add. Just click on it. For example, I'm going to use one of my friend who is on this app. Paste his Gmail here, and it's going to bring something like. Let me click on search. Sometimes it's very slow, but because I'm making a video and my screen record, like my screen record is staying on that search side, so I just have to click it. Well, yeah, this is it. So you just click on add, and boom, you are done. You do it like you just have to add 5 people. You can come to this. This is people. You can use this Gmail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can add these 5 people to your security cycle if you are a person that does not know how to refer or do something. So
Down to this place where you say
after that, um, you come to your profile picture. Come to your picture. So I'm just going to look for a picture that I'm going to put. So I'm just going to put this. This is just any picture, not by force. The picture is somehow. It might not be showing your face. It can only be showing your logo. So for the KYC too, you have to verify yourself like an NIN or something. Agree the association team of KYC. You must be 18 upward. I agree to pay 200 ATOS to happen. You click, then click on start. You are from Nigeria, click your name. If you are from other country, your ID, put your ID number. We will not be doing this because of the sake of the video, so it's not going to be too long. Your date of birth that is in your NIN or any ID card you have, you take a picture of it. Take a picture of the back of your passport or ID card. Please handwrite all the following tests. You should know what to do. Example for Atoshi using date signature. Step 4, please take a picture holding your ID card and the handwriting text all together and upload it. So that's all it. So if you do this before 24 hours, you'll be verified. So this is for the first step for the KYC. If you do not do these two things, you will not be able to withdraw. Today is 25, so you can do this thing and mine. Even so you just want to open it and test it, just register and wait till 30 and withdraw your money. So maybe you just want to test it, maybe it's working or not working. You'll be giving free 5 USDT. Just try it and you see the minimum withdraw there is 5 USDT. So you come back to our dashboard to earn. So the honest thing you don't have to do is for you guys who want to refer. Maybe you have a friend you want to refer. Come to this place icon where you say reward. You can see the task. I've already signed in today. You can do this task. Let me just do one out of it and wait for it. It's set 18 seconds here. So I'm just going to wait for it. Boom, I've done. So click on this icon where you say cancel here. Then that's where my screen record. Yeah. So after that, it's supposed to bring something um let me refresh first. So let's just leave that for now. So to invite, you just have to come to this icon where you say go. So this is your invitation code. I think my network is bad. Yeah, it says you receive. Okay, this is the rate thing. So they are not lying. Say you receive 23 ATOS for boot. You unlock more bonuses if you refer. So you see, you can see from it. Click on this share invitation code. Then you can send to maybe your WhatsApp, to your Facebook, or you can copy the link See, copy here. So to end from this, apart from refer, is for you to come to this icon. For you to come to this game icon here, click on it. So the more you play game, the more you earn from it. So I'm not going to play this game. I'm going to just play one. So alright. So you just have to click on start. So that's how you play the game. So when you play, the more you earn. So let's drop it. Come to this. So that's the end of this video. So I'm just checking maybe there are something. Yeah, there are something more. So for this thing that is here, the thing that is here. In my next video, I'll be explaining on how to how to earn from it without clicking on it. You know, by if I want to earn from it now, I'm just going to click on it like this. I'm going to continue add it to my banners. But in this is like it is stress. So in my next video, I'm just going to explain to you how you can just auto click everything as my network is somehow slow.
If you borrow 100,000 naira.
Yeah, so I think that's all for this video. And just check maybe there are something so in my next video I'm going to be explaining on how you can auto click this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and like for more video like this. Now I'm making yeah, another app like this app which is more like it's paying more than this app. So just subscribe to my channel and I'm going to drop it. So because so that when I drop the video, you are going to be the first person to see it.